Samsung A51 water damage, faulty LCD, faulty charging port. Remove back cover using card and adhesive remover. Remove all 13 screws. Remove the SIM tray. Gently separate the back frame from middle frame using prying tool. Remove battery flex. Gently remove flex from main board and subboard. Unscrew main board and remove antenna. Unscrew and remove fingerprint sensor. Gently remove battery using card and adhesive remover. Remove vibrate and earpiece from old mid-frame. Transfer the earpiece and vibrate in new mid-frame. Attached fingerprint sensor and new charging port. Attach the GSM antenna into main board to subboard. Attach the battery and flex. Connect battery flex in main board. Gently place the back frame into mid-frame. Place all the 13 screws. Apply T7000 glue in back frame to place the back cover. Let it dry for at least 30 minutes. Now let's test the charging and touch screen.